Okay guys, I'll tell you how to really polish sunburnt paint. From this to this. This side was all burned up. It's really simple. Just get 3000 grit sandpaper, water, scrub it, clean it up to make it even hazy looking, and then just clean it. And then you buy this compound, use the applicator, put it on the circular motions, wipe it off before it gets dry. Use this polish on the top, same procedure, circular motion, wipe it off, and then use the wax on the top, wipe it up, and then wait until it gets hazy, and then just wipe it off and use the second microfiber towel to make it maximum shine. So this is it. It doesn't look like brand new, but it looks much better. Still have this burnt clear coat, but at least it looks much better now. See from this side and from this side, makes all the difference. Look, really easy. You don't need a machine or anything, just your bare hands. And you can clean the headlights too.